This is game for you guys, and I've said it before. I don't know if y'all listen. I would, after every storm, every rain, I would jump on Craigslist and Facebook and look under free, and I'd put on tree. And anyone who had like a tree fall over that they needed it cleared, I would literally drive around. I think Lee remembers me, my Ram, my axe, and I'll drive with my axe and my chainsaw in the back seat, and I would cruise and I would hit the listen first thing in the morning because others, I wasn't the only one. Others would be out there, right. And I'd go out and I'd clear so many trees and just season my own wood. And I stacked up until I had more than enough for me, and I kept going. And then I flipped it and started selling off wood. So that became a profit and allowed me to drop my costs and make a profit. And then I figured out with these companies, like they'll run you net 30s, net 45, net 60s, and net 90s, but they're all businesses. They like their money now. So if I say, hey, I know we're usually on a net 60, but I can pay you for 25% more meat if you hold it for me, because I didn't want to cover holding costs. I didn't have anywhere to put it. And I can pay you now. They're like, okay, because they get their money up front. They don't have to deliver the product yet. They're fine. So that also helped me increase my bottom line, because I would just pay them out ahead of time in cash. Yeah, it might have hurt right then and there, but I didn't look at it as 30 or 60 day profit. I looked at it for the year. I was like, for the year, I just saved like an extra 25% by giving them their money now, and they're going to hold it for me. I'm golden. It was just like going to Costco for me, like, hey, I'm here to pick up my 2 things of this and this and that, because they had it all.